Hi, I'm Kenny from Keeping Hot Rodding Alive Youth Program. This is our team here from Keeping Hot Rodding Alive Youth Program. We have a box here from one of our sponsors, 100% sponsor, Easy Wiring and Dolphin Gauges. We want to thank you guys so much for sending out stuff to us. We have not seen it yet. We're going to unveil this box, open it up. Just want to thank you so much for thinking of us and take care of us. So one of you guys want to crack the box? I'm going to pull that stuff out and see what Easy Wiring and Dolphin Gauges sent us.
Jingle bells.
Don't cut me with that knife, Derek.
What is it? Ooh. Everybody go, ooh, wow. Ooh.
Now, our team hasn't seen it yet. So let me turn it from the cameras so you guys can see. For our bezel for the gauges, in the center of the dash.
Nice.
And here the box is empty. Go for it. Crack them open. So you guys want to crack something open, help out?
Come on.
Feel free, jump in, don't be chicken.
Come on. You're
This is awesome.
Don't be afraid.
Diagram for our wiring. Jimmy is
Oh
our
my goodness.
wiring guy. We'll have other people helping out in areas.
Those are going to my house.
That's something that he will be reading over, look over. Everybody's got a special part in our Project X with stuff we're doing.
Door stop.
Gunner, hold that up, kind of tilt it so it's in the camera. That's very awesome. Here's our harness.
Ooh.
Be real careful. Those things can drop out. Oh yeah, this one's started tilting, watch out. Oh yeah, they'll fall out. So definitely keep it tilted up. We don't have the brackets in them. We got brackets for this stuff that clamps in. We just gotta watch so they don't tip out. So we got that stuff there. Grab the book down there too. It shows the for wiring these up, Jimmy. Rick's got it there for you.
Why did I read wiring?
You'll love it.
My dad said I wouldn't want to.
So our book's there for wiring up on that stuff there. It's great. We thank you. We thank you guys so much at Easy Wiring and Dolphin Gauges for taking care of us here. This is just so awesome to have those out there that reach out and help us and support our Project X here.
Good enough?